First, turn off the main power switch. Open the lamp compartment door. Second, loosen and unplug the aviation connector of the lamp cover. Remove the lamp cover locking screws. Third, carefully remove the lamp cover. Use a screwdriver to loosen the screws of the lamp lead wires. Remove the lamp lead wires. Loosen the lamp locking nuts, then pull the socket outward with hands to remove the lamp. Take the new lamp, align the base with the socket and install it. Secure the lamp with the locking nuts. Insert the lamp lead wires into the lamp cover and fasten them with electrode screws. Fourth, place the lamp cover back into the lamp compartment door. Reinstall and tighten the aviation connector of the lamp cover. Reinstall the lamp cover locking screws. Fifth, click Maintenance in the top menu bar to enter the maintenance interface. Enter 0 in the lamp usage time field to reset the lamp operating hours.